from wherever you're watching. This is another Scratch program for children and any other person who might be interested in learning some bits of graphical coding. I have a shape here. The shape, you can see it is a triangle combined with a square because all sides are 100 steps. So the triangle is on top and the square is below. So it makes a shape of a heart. And then there are 4 of them. After drawing the first diagram, you move only a half the distance to start drawing the second one. And then you repeat, you loop to get this kind of objects. So I want to use Scratch 3.0 to achieve what has been shown here. So I'm going to draw a triangle. And a triangle, the turn angle that I'm going to get when I'm making the turn, I take 360 divide by 3. 3 goes into 360, 120. And the square, because of the 4 sides, it goes into 360, 90 degrees. So that will be the turn for the square. So if I go to the Scratch application, which is this one here, the default sprite is cut. I'll remove the cut. Then I choose another sprite. I'll type here pen. I get the pencil. Reduce the size of the pencil to 50 because it is too huge. And then I go to the extension and add the code for pen, which is already here. But if I could have clicked here, I could have gotten it. So the pen is down here. So there are 10 codes here. Then I'll start with events. I put this one here when sprite is clicked. Then I'll go to pen, erase any object that might be on the stage. And then after that, set pen color. I'll choose the color of the pen that I want. If I want black, I'll just move like that's black. After that, I'll set the pen size. The best pen size is always 3. And then I put erase all, set pen color, set pen size. Then I choose pen up. Pen up so that I want to put the coordinates of x, y. So I want the diagram to be drawn from somewhere here. So the coordinates of x and y has changed. So I'll go to a place called motion, and then I go to X, Y. So this is where I've set the place where my diagram should start. After that, I'll go back to pen, and then I say pen down. So the pen is down. So now, after that, now is when I want to start drawing this. So I'll start with the roof, which is the triangle, and then I'll draw the bottom side of the house, which is a square. So to draw a triangle, I'll go to motion. The sides were 100 steps. So I'll choose there 100 steps. And then the turn that I want to make, 3 sides of a triangle going to 360, 120 times 120. So it will be 120 degrees. And then I will loop it 3 times. So I'll put here 3 because a triangle has got 3 sides. Then the next thing I want to draw the square. The square was also, if I go to motion here, it was 100 steps. So that one I put 100 steps. And then the turn 4 into 360, you get 90. And then you repeat. When you're repeating, you repeat 4 times. So already I've drawn the upper side of the house and the lower side. The triangle, which is 120, and the square, which is 90. 4 sides for the square, 3 sides for the triangle. Now I need to tell the computer now I have to move halfway. Halfway means the second house is drawn in the middle of the second one. So the second one will start in the middle, which means it's 50. Half of 100 is 50. So I'll tell it, the computer, to point which direction am I going. So I have to go this side, not up, which is 0, not this side, which is negative 90, not down 180, it will be 90. So after going 90 degrees, I'll tell it to move only a halfway, which is 50. So after moving 50 now, for me to draw the rest of the shapes, because this is a complete shape, and I've told it to move 50 steps, I'll go and loop. So to loop, I'll come and encompasses everything here, and then tell it 4 more houses. Then I click on OK. So by doing that, I've achieved the shape that I wanted. That marks the end of my video. You can see how I've done the looping and it has achieved the diagram that was supposed to be achieved. Thank you so much for watching. Have a